Rock on! I'm Linda Stewart with the Mississippi Gulf Coast Convention and Visitors Bureau, and we are at the Hard Rock Cafe in Biloxi, Mississippi, across from the Biloxi Town Green. And I am here with Teresa Johnston, the Sales and Marketing Manager, and also a very dear and close friend of mine. We don't want to go into too much history about Teresa and I, but I will tell you that we do share the same birthday, November 6th. We normally do call each other and everything, but Teresa is much older than me too, so she's had a little few years to experience. I'm also here with some of our co-workers. We've got Justin sitting next to me, Janet and Janice are behind us. We're going to sample some wonderful hors d'oeuvres from the Hard Rock, and Teresa's going to tell you a little bit about some of their items that they sell, and she's going to also talk about the food when it comes out.
Well, welcome to the Hard Rock Cafe in Biloxi. This is the only Hard Rock in the entire state of Mississippi. The brand is 39 years old. We were founded in 1971 in London, England, by a couple fellows from Tennessee that missed home. As you can see, we've got a couple of our retail moments out here for you. Started with our classic Hard Rock logo, which was the sponsorship for their soccer team in England. That's how it all got started. They gave them away, now we charge for them. But the brand itself, we're all over the world. We have 123 different locations. Now we have hotels, we have casinos, we have live venues, and of course where it all started, the Hard Rock Cafe. We have a lot of food. We're going to be sampling our Jumbo Combo, which is our most popular hors d'oeuvre. And we'll take a walk around the cafe and show you some of our unique and interesting memorabilia.
All right, sounds good. And we're going to sample our food, so come back and join us in a few minutes.